here in the land of the undead.
Pretty cool.
Oh my God!
Running just as fast as I can. Gotta hit the ground running just as fast as I can. Well, I know you say you're sorry and that you'll do right, but babe, who do you take me for? Yes, I see you crying, but before those tears are drying, baby, I'm headed for that door.
All right, we're back in Ocean City, Maryland. I want to show you one of the best things to do here. This whole video is about that, the haunted house. You ready to go in?
I'm ready.
Make sure you...
Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
Let's go. The Haunted Mansion. It's a dark ride built in 1964. See, there it is, the haunted house. It's a 5-minute dark ride, thrilling scenes, illusions. Started in 1964 with 2 floors, added in 88. And they added this second level here for more fun. It's a dark ride. Do not survive Trimper's haunted house. My wife's in the coffin. The babies are eating spiders. Let's just get in this ride. Hi, two. Thank you. All right, we're in our coffin. We decided to show you what this is like inside.
Well, remember, here in the land of the undead, you are the outsiders, for you will come face to face with ghosts, ghouls, banshees. Do you think you have a...
Whoa, this is cool. This is a lot better than I remember when I was a kid.
I don't think I ever came in as a kid.
Oh my God,
I hate
this is
these
so
things.
cool.
It always
Whoa,
makes you
we're
feel like you're
moving.
moving.
We're spinning, honey.
I know, I know.
Hi, guys. Oh, God. Oh. Ow. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Oh my God!
Ow. Oh, God. Yeah, there's live actors
Yes.
in here, apparently. I didn't know that. This is nice. You gotta do this in Ocean City. Did we go up to the top yet?
I don't know.
Whoa. Oh, God. Oh, this is cool. It is dark in here, I will tell you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is... I think we're going up to the second level. Whoa! This thing's moving. Oh God. Oh God! Look, you come out to the top.
There's the beach.
Yeah, you get up on that second level. I'll show you. What do you think, honey? Are you scared?
No, but it's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, they really redid this
Yeah.
inside. Back to the dark. Oh God. There's all kinds of stuff written on the wall. Oh
Whoa.
Oh, God. Railroad crossing, honey. It's a railroad. Train coming. That's bumpy.
Oh gosh.
Oh, we're going downhill. This is a long little ride. Somebody up there. Whoa! Ah! God. Cuckoo clock. Oh, the dancing mummies. That's it, honey. Whoa! There's water up there.
No. I hope that stopped.
There's water.
Oh,
it
Lord.
stopped. That was totally awesome. I loved it. Dark Ride, Ocean City, Maryland. Oh, we got to get out of our coffin.
Honey, we gotta get out.
Oh, we get out of here? Oh, God. I don't know if I can get out.
Yeah, you can.
You just follow your way out. That was an amazing ride. I can't say this one. I should move this one up the list. It was so much fun.
Really fun.
I love it. Thank you, Ocean City, Maryland. One thing that's cool about this haunted house, you go right next door. They got an awesome gift store in here. I'm just gonna show you. Anything scary is in this place.
You know what? You can think about it.
Like this guy. Look at all the t-shirts. There's my wife scoping out something. Who's that, honey?
I think it's Chewbacca. Is that his name?
Yeah, that's it, Chewy. There's a shark on the ceiling. That was an awesome ride, buddy. Whoa, this is cool. This is a lot better than I remember when I was a kid.
I don't think I ever came in as a kid.